So for our cookies and cream with green banana smoothie, what I have here, I have 125 gram or 4.4 ounce of cookies and cream. In the blender, I've went ahead and I've added 120 gram or 4.2 ounce of vanilla flavored powdered milk. I also added about 3 teaspoons of vanilla for flavoring. I also added a pinch of salt, 3 pinches of grated nutmeg, and I added a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And I also have 3 large green bananas that have been boiled until soft, and I've added 1 cup of the water that the banana was boiled in. So I just want to go ahead and show you the banana. So these are the green bananas. So I'm just going to go ahead now and add the cookies and cream. So I'm going to add 3 cups of ice water to this. That's about 2.5 cups. Cover and give this a blend until it is smooth. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the remaining 1/2 cup of water and give that another blend just to lighten it up a bit. Yes, so our smoothie, our punch, has been blended up nicely, and it's really thick and nice. Yes guys, that's perfect. So it really needed the 3 cups of water along with the 1 cup of water that the banana was boiled in. Okay, look at that, look at that, look at that guys. Yes, so that's our cookies and cream with green banana smoothie or punch. Now if you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave me a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more simple recipes. Thanks for watching.